Hello, this is the quick startup guide to the Report Writer. In this video, we'll quickly learn how to install the Report Writer and to run the demo that comes along with the Report Writer package. So let's begin. The Report Writer will come in a zip file titled the Report Writer package. You're going to unzip those contents. I'm going to overwrite where Windows wants it to go, and I'm going to put it into my user profile. So that would be C user Brian and documents, but you can put it wherever you like. We're going to extract those contents. After extracted, we'll look at the folder and you will see a folder called the Report Writer package. Open up that folder and there's the installer for the Report Writer. Now, before you install the Report Writer, make sure Excel is closed. The Report Writer is a Microsoft Excel add-in, so you need Excel closed so it can load up the add-in. Double click the Report Writer and hit essentially next to everything it's asking. Next or yeses. And finally, it is now installed. What does it mean to be installed? Well, we'll get to that in a second. But first, let's set the stage by looking at the demo. The first thing we have to look at is the template document. The template document is the skeleton by which you're going to populate the report. When you open it up, you'll see all these esoteric tags that represent numbers and texts, as well as tables and charts. But it is a skeleton document that will be populated. Next, results. For this demo, this is where we store the CSV files that will be imported into Excel to make all the pretty tables and charts that go into the report. Next, the final reports folder, which is blank because we haven't made any reports yet. Now, we're going to open up the Excel file. Now, after you've opened up Excel for the first time, after installing the Report Writer, you will be asked to essentially install it again or accept the risk imposed by installing someone else's software. That didn't pop up in this video because I have accepted the risk of the Report Writer many times over. So let's click, but when it opens up, you'll see a new tab called the Report Writer, which is a ribbon in Microsoft Excel. Anytime you now open up Excel, this ribbon will always be there. It's not attached to this document. It is part of Excel. Now, the only thing we have to do to get this up and running is to change cell A2 and tell the Report Writer where the template document we were just looking at is located, because it's not located right here anymore, is it? I'm going to go up here. I'm going to grab that path, go back to Excel. I'm going to get rid of that and paste the new pathway. Using some Excel magic, I'm also telling the Report Writer where I want the reports to go. In this page tab that deals with importing, I'm also saying where the results are for those CSV files for importation, but more on that in future videos. We're all set up to run the demo. So hit run all reports. Oh, before we do that, I'm actually going to change. We're on the current parameters page, which has a lot of important parameters for the Report Writer. I'm going to actually change it to a PDF document. And I'm going to run all the reports for that. Now, in this demo, we have two companies, Company A and Company B. So it is going to first import all of Company A's CSV files, create the Excel tables and charts. Then it's going to open up the template file and start to populate tables and charts and figures. Do some cleanup, table of contents, headers, footers, all that good stuff, and export it to your PDF document. Then it's going to loop to the second company and then just perform it again. We're done. Let's go back to this folder and go to the final reports folder. And there you go. There's two new documents. Let's open up Company A's report. And as you can see, it has been populated. The headers, the title, the table of contents, 3 tables, the exact same, but done 3 different ways. More on that later. And figures. Now I'm going to hover over this. For an important aspect of the Report Writer, you'll see these sentences that are popping up. These are alternative text necessary for the charts to be 508 compliant. The Report Writer did this automatically based on the information in the table. For basic tables such as this that are quite common, it has the ability to create smart sentences on the fly. The user had no role in producing this alternative text. Additionally, the report writer has the ability to produce 508 compliant tables as well. More on that in future lessons, but what you have created here very quickly are 508 compliant Word or PDF documents automatically. I hope you've enjoyed this quick video. Please look at the future videos to understand how to fully leverage the power of the report writer. Thank you.